Hey boy, come for this. I have something for you. Wait there. See ya. Come for it. Voila! Bombard! What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamers here today again for another episode of Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Listen to laugh, cause the mute make me laugh. So today I play with Aaron and Oxide again. So you know how that go. I could just do a little thing and see what can go on, you see me? So guys, thank you for the support that we've been getting. Please subscribe if you're new around here also for more episodes of this and GTA and others. Yeah, man. So I can get tonight and see what can go on.
Yeah, man, thank you people for coming along and watching this show. You know, it's a Sunday morning, you know. Eat your rice and peas and curry goat and everything then, man.
You'll see a right, idiot.
I'm gonna edit it out the chat, man.
Shut up, man.
Alright, let's go, people. Let's go. I'm gonna wear ya. Bird of fly. Hey! Jesus, man, them killed me already.
Don't worry, man.
Man, not worry. Why worry? Alright, come in. Got you.
Slow, man, you.
I'm slow, yes. See when I kill back one door? Yeah, hold that one there, boy. Damn! Oh.
Loud.
Dead again. You know what thing go? Who goes? Hey boy, who you shoot off? You want some of that gunshot in your mouth?
Just sat in the corner in the middle.
The man them a come. Wait! Bombard! Yo, this don't look good. Some boy open so. Watch your name. Where you open so? Hold up! Where you open so, idiot? Man, them kill me as me jump down to bombard. You know, sir. Me not take no dead from nobody. You know, sir, me I go kill them boy have fun.
Top boy.
Alright. Go back. Oi! Man throw a grenade.
Too much.
Go on, sir.
Chat too much, boy. Yeah, hear them. Hey. What's going on?
See one ya? What it? Headshot.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Nah, you're not good, dog. Which gun this? Sniper. You're not good, brother. You look good from far, but far from good.
What?
Alright. Run up in a minute, boy. Who get a gun license? Oh, God. This not real. Different gun. Oh, you watch yourself, you. Don't run up on me like that, you will get bullet. Hey! Who get a gun license, boy? We are ramping. Deaf. Hey, you want some? I know, sir. Nah, record for me. Dog.
I can't see you surviving, brother.
Huh?
I can't see you actually surviving. Where you there? Right, where you there?
Gunshot! Oh. Me done shot! Hold that in the... Oh shit, me trying for myself. Oh God, look at me kill myself! Ah!
Si no le ayudan a fabricar cañones,
yeah, me just one stun grenade and it bounce back and lick me, dog. Yo, Jesus. Yo, joke this. Only me, dog. Only me, brother. Best one 2 foot. Alright, so I'm gonna go up with some. I'm try to go up with some so I can go on. Hey! I will kiss it a while ago. Iron dead. Trouble. Oh, where do you so? Bombard! Yo, I'm not killing nobody, brother.
Maybe you're not killing nobody.
Him dead. Oh, him dead already. I'm not killing nobody, daddy.
But I'm gonna kill you, don't.
What you mean? If you free the man, I'm gonna kill me. Man, I'm not taking no prisoner. When there, show yourself. Show yourself, show yourself. Show yourself. Where him there? Yo, go look back at your dog. I make the man come in, come kill. I think I kill nobody around. What you expect? Around your top.
Of course.
So you go on you out? I'm help. And then already. Oh. I'm not killing nobody.
That's right.
Oi, 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 oi. Mash up this, mash up. Yeah, man, mash up. Enough of this, I kill nobody. Mash up. Yo, we lose, dog.
I only get 5 kills.
Who get 5 kills?
You.
I practice, man. You know, so I practice running now, man. Alright, back in the second game now. Second game. Oi, me see a sniper out there work. Bomb, I never have a sniper.
I'm stuck with that AC party.
Sniper out there working, brother, man.
Clear more set.
Hell no!
God no. Yo, me not like that game, dog.
5-5, man. You like it.
Alright, boy, come for this. I have something for you. Wait there. See ya? Come for it. Voila! Bombard! Think me they have something for you, you know, put on, you know. You never want it. Bomba, you missed, dog. We are shooter. Yo. Jamaica race giver, really race giver that. Big up JWG gang. Big up on the self nation. Big up on the self. Oh yeah, I'm a partner, me I shoot, that's up.
Okay, yeah.
You make me go and talk before me.
Record for Uzi, no?
Yo, I joke this, brother. This is a bad day at the office.
That was a bad day.
Ball is a bad day at the office for me. This not good. This not look good.
It never look good for you, man.
I know me not kill one person yet in the dark.
Oh, yo. Look, turn off the console, man. Turn off the console, bro. Turn off the... Oh, yeah. No, and he's being serious as well, fam.
Me not kill nobody. You think I joke, mate?
Yo, what
He's
on,
right
man?
at the bottom, bro. He's actually right at the bottom.
Yo, what on?
Yo, got them now, right, brother.
Expected move. Who give gun license? Take out now, right?
I know who give me gun nice, man. Alright, must can kill a one man now. Kill him!
Got him!
Push shot head, I'm head! Oh god, man, them blow me up to smithereens. Yo, me not kill nobody, brother.
You're useless.
Not kill nobody, you talk, me you talk. Hello, look back at you, boy. Gunshot, don't shot.
Not one face, cool.
You make me go and talk before me. Yeah.
I'm top.
You don't attack before. You attack before you're gone and you get.
You know, it's a big man thing. You have to shut up him out.
Somebody before you can attack.
Alright. Me gonna run a bullet on them. How can I eat that? God bless me off.
Yeah, idiot, brother. I see you as well, you know. You're fool, you know.
Damn it, man. Yo! Oh yes, he's got 2 kills now, man.
Stop watching me kill my youth. How much murder you have?
Man.
Why?
Because how many ever deaths you get, we
now watch
pick it up within guilds.
Now watch me kill mate. I kill confirm that I can get as much kill. You have to just pick up the thing then move.
Yes, but every time you die, you drop a tag. If they collect it, that's one up for them.
Yeah, but them not collect it, brother. Yo, wanna talk to me and I distract me. I can't shoot nobody. Leave me alone, my youth. Leave me alone, my youth.
Oh, my chest. I can't breathe. Oh shit, my chest is going.
I was trying to give him some guidance because whoever's killing him.
No guidance. That's the worst game, so I expect nothing less.
Oh, yeah. That's a lesson to suffer.
Bad man, I kill him. Hey! Go! Yes, me kill a double, me kill a double. Who next? Who next?
Okay. You must replace, man. Gee whiz.
I kill an hour about an attack.
My scream is who next, select man, run down, just get him down like that. Move, boy.
Alright, get up. Who wants some?
Screaming, man.
Who wants some? Who next?
You next if you're gonna be quiet, man.
Who next? Right, me work you out. Who next? Pick up them tag, yeah. Oi, watch it in a youth. I'm a teammate. I nearly shoot a while ago. I would. Alright, are you alright? Watch it in a youth. Why you shot a boss now? Watch it in a youth. Why you shot a boss now? What you mean? They pan farm you now. Me they pan farm you now. What I say now? Find me mojo. Oh God, I'm finding mojo man and take it from me. Who next? Alright, don't kill me player. Hey boy. Yeah. How that? Alright, no go on. Wait, how that?
Bullet, I love these fam. Oi, Kimbo fam.
Yeah.
Slap them, head top.
You want to see me follow Iron a while I'm gonna get my face blow off.
You don't want to follow me, bro. I'm not aggressive type.
Don't worry, Aaron. The person who does kill her, me just kill him back. Don't worry yourself.
Oh, my God. I need to get this cluster.
Oh, the backside. Come in at this. Who wants some? Oh God. Joke. Me know some work this brother. My name JAMAICA'S gamer. So, your point is what really? Yeah, your point is what really?
Yo, just try win the game and cuss each other and that, man.
I'm a customer, man.
Make yourself useful and collect some tags.
Who you talk to?
You.
We do keep quiet.
Bo collect tag, you brighty?
Yes, I am bright since I'm top.
Alright, tell him again, Aaron. Right there, butter, dead dog.
I'm top with 2 pistols, man.
See that? Yeah, man, you're top. You're top. Yeah, me kill 3 of them though. Me kill 3 though. You know what I'm saying? Me kill 3.
Good.
Man, them flush out the jelly on the ground. Let it run. See that? Me win the game 4 now.
What?
Me win the game 4 now.
Look on the scoreboard, me and Aaron. Look over me and Aaron.
After me and Sean carry the team. Look this, man.
The whole team carry.
Bullet.
Me win the game before no. Look there. I mean that you know? That's it.
That's me, man.
Look how much left he have. Look how much left he have.
It wasn't as bad as the last one, though.